Meet Bob. Like many of us, Bob is a regular guy with a regular job who works hard to pay his bills and rent. He provides a good life for his family, but like most Canadians, saving for a rainy day is easier said than done. One day, Bob's buddy Mike called with bad news. Mike lost his job, with no warning. Bob started to worry, asking himself, what if? What if I lost my job? How would I pay my rent? What if I lost my apartment? And he found he didn't have the answer. Luckily, Bob's buddy Mike was smart. He had thought ahead and purchased RentSafe, a unique line of products that protects renters from unfortunate circumstances, like getting sick or hurt, or in Mike's case, job loss. For a low monthly price, RentSafe covered Mike's monthly rent and ensured a roof over his head despite the unexpected curveball. Bob immediately jumped onto rentsafe.ca for his own protection plan. Now, Bob doesn't sweat the what-ifs. RentSafe protects his family and home by covering Bob's monthly rent, and it gives him the peace of mind he needs to face any of life's little surprises. Don't wait until
in the zip code. Right now we're offering free quotes on home and auto insurance. I just needed to verify some information for your local agent there so they can give you a call back to discuss your quote. For the homeowner's insurance, is that a one-story, two-story home?
I'm with Allstate, but it's a one-story.
Okay, not a problem. And then is your address still 7222 Westlake Avenue in Seattle, Washington?
Yes, it's the same.
Okay, great. And then is that a one-story, two-story home?
It's a one-story.
Okay, and does that have an attached or detached garage?
I actually have an attached garage and a detached garage.
You have an attached and a detached. Okay, I'll make a note of that. And then how many cars does each garage hold?
The attached garage holds one, and the detached is a two-car garage.
One for the attached, and the detached was a two-car garage?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. And then, do you know by chance what year the home was built?
1972.
1972. And the approximate square footage of the home?
Oh, geez. I think it's 1750.
Around 1750.
Close to that.
Okay. And then, does that house have a basement?
No.
Okay. And then the exterior walls on the outside of the home, are those wood, vinyl, brick, aluminum?
They're wood, three-quarters of it, and then the front half is brick. Or the front wall is brick.
Okay. And then how many full bathrooms are in the home?
Two full bathrooms, and we have one half bathroom.
One full, one half. And then does the house have a fireplace?
Yes, we have a fireplace.
Okay. And then on the outside of the home, is there a deck?
We have a patio.
A patio. Okay, and then does that have a screened-in or enclosed porch on it?
No, sir.
Okay. And do you know who your current or previous insurance provider is?
Yeah, that's Allstate.
Allstate. Oh, yeah, you said that. Okay. Have you had any claims in the last 3 years?
On the home, no.
On the home, no. Okay, great. And your payment preference, do you prefer that on a monthly, quarterly, 6 months, yearly?
Yearly, usually, yeah, because it's built into the mortgage, so we do yearly.
Okay, great. Would that, the homeowner's insurance, that would be under your name?
Yes.
Okay. And what is your date of birth?
3/10/64.
3/10/64. Okay, great. And then you do save quite a bit with Farmers when you bundle your home and auto insurance together.
Mm-hmm.
For the auto, how many vehicles do you carry on that policy?
We have one vehicle.
Oh, okay. And do you know the year, make, and model for that?
Yeah, it's a 2009 Altima, Nissan Altima.
2009 Nissan Altima. And that's the only vehicle you want on there?
Yeah, the other one's under my wife. She has different insurance for it, so.
Okay, not a problem. How many drivers did you want on the Nissan Altima?
That's just me on the Altima.
Okay. And have you had any tickets or accidents in the last 5 years?
And I did have a fender bender about, it was probably 2.5, it might have been 2.5 years ago. A little fender bender, wasn't my fault. Guy ran a red light and hit me, so it was non-fault, of course.
Okay, yeah. It shouldn't be a problem. Did you prefer that on a monthly, 6 months, quarterly?
Can we get a monthly and a 6 month?
Yeah, I can have them check the different rates for you.
Appreciate that.
Okay. And then what type of coverage did you want for the Altima? Did you want a full coverage or PLPD, that's like our liability?
Full coverage. I still have a loan on there, so.
Okay. And then are you using Allstate for that, for your auto insurance as well?
Yeah, Allstate does both of those.
Okay.
Home and the auto.
All right. So yeah, it looks like that is everything I needed for the home and auto insurance. I'm going to submit this over to your local agent.
Okay, so you don't give me the quote now?
No, what we're going to do is we're going to submit this over to your local agent so they can prepare that for you, and then they'll give you a call back right when they have that ready to see if they can save you some money there. But you should get a call back in the near future here. You're going to want to make sure that you have your current insurance documents handy.
Okay, can we make sure it's after 4 p.m.?
Yeah, it is best if we set a specific time. Is it any weekday after 4